Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to add screen lock on iOS. First, what we need to do is go to the settings, which should be on your main screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then just write Settings, then go all the way down to Face ID and Passcode, then just click Turn on Passcode on. Now just enter your password, use it anyways, just verify it. And that's it. Thanks you for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really great if you subscribe to our channel. And bye.